Hello YouTube Nation, it's Ron with RTR Gearheads, and there's Junior over there. We got this nice 1970 El Camino SS in here today, and we'll give you a couple clips here and there. What we're doing is converted it from carbureted to fuel injected. It is a 1970, it is a true SS. We have all the parts together to actually do it, so hopefully today we're going to knock out as much as we can and maybe actually get the beast to start back up with the fuel injection today, depending on how much we can get done. This is actually my father's, Junior's grandfather's, and he just wants to be able to drive it in the wintertime and not have to worry about waiting for the carburetor to warm up and the choke to kick off. So hopefully we'll be having you some other clips here today, and more to come on the El Camino. Alright YouTubers, here we go. YouTube Nation, we've got the new tank right there. Here's the old tank. We're just doing comparisons right now. As you can see, Junior's under. We're running the fuel line right now, waiting on the hardware kit for the fuel pump, in-tank pump, and the actual fuel gauge sender, fuel level sender. Under the hood, just to check all the linkage and everything, we already have, yes, the Summit, this nice little Summit installed on there. So hopefully here in a couple hours we'll have everything knocked out and maybe have a initial startup and go through the actual setup on the programmer. But we will be back with you shortly with some updates. YouTube Nation, we're back for a third installment on the El Camino. We did actually get the new tank up in there. Let me see. We already have the fuel line ran. We started to put the harness on. Got most of it hooked up. We have to put the temperature sensor back in. Run the O2 sensor. And everything else is hooked up. So hopefully one day this week, we might actually be able to get a initial run. I was thinking today, but we ran into some issues with fittings and the old tank. So just stay tuned and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.